In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Xero by phone in just about 5 minutes. Navigating customer support can sometimes feel like you're trying to find your way through a maze, especially when what you're looking for seems hidden away. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of reaching out to Xero for support, ensuring you know exactly what steps to take to get the assistance you need swiftly. Let's start from the very beginning. The initial step involves navigating to the Xero dashboard. Once you're there, look for the question mark icon, which is typically located at the top right corner of your screen. This little symbol is your gateway to accessing Xero's support options, so it's important to locate it right off the bat. Clicking on this question mark will unveil a variety of options available to help you with any queries or concerns you might have. Among these options, you want to specifically look for the one that says Contact Xero Support. This link is essentially your direct line to communicating your issues to the support team, so make sure to click on it. Upon selecting Contact Xero Support, you'll be prompted to provide details regarding the issue or concern you're facing. This step is crucial as it helps the support team understand exactly what you need assistance with. Be as detailed and specific as possible. Clear communication here will save a lot of time and ensure the support team can provide the help you need efficiently. Now, it's important to highlight a key point regarding contacting Xero by phone. Xero operates a bit differently from what you might be used to with other companies. They do not have a direct phone line for immediate calls. However, the good news is that they offer a callback service for urgent concerns. If your issue qualifies as urgent, you can expect to receive a callback from a support team member free of charge. This method ensures that urgent cases are prioritized and handled swiftly, keeping in mind the convenience of the user. This callback service strikes a fine balance between efficiency and personal touch. You get the direct attention you need without having to wait in long phone queues. It's a modern approach to customer service that respects both your time and need for direct human interaction. When detailing your issue for support, if it's deemed urgent, rest assured that a Xero team member will be in touch with you to resolve the matter at hand as quickly as possible. So, to recap, the process of contacting Xero by phone involves these key steps. 1. Head to the Xero dashboard and find the question mark icon. 2. Click on Contact Xero Support from the available options. 3. Detail your issue or concern with as much clarity and specificity as you can. And remember, while Xero might not have a traditional phone line for you to dial, their callback service for urgent concerns ensures you're not left hanging. It's all about getting you the help you need in the most efficient way possible. Here are a couple of extra tips to keep in mind. Ensure your contact information is accurate and up to date in your Xero account. This will make it easier for the support team to reach you. Also, consider browsing Xero's online resources before reaching out. Sometimes the answer to your question might already be available online, saving you time. That's all there is to it. You now know how to navigate the process of seeking phone support from Xero, making what might have seemed like a daunting task simple and straightforward. Remember, whether you're dealing with a minor query or a major issue, Xero's support structure is designed to guide and assist you every step of the way. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching and don't hesitate to reach out to Xero for any support you need.